Hi there, welcome to Changes for a Lifetime, the channel where you will learn something new weekly. It may be a plant-based recipe, it could be a beauty DIY, a garden tip, a lifestyle change. Today, it's going to be a beauty DIY, but a different kind. It's going to be for our teeth. I'm going to show you how to make a natural toothpaste. Really cleansing, really whitening, tastes good, works, affordable, and lasts a long time. And it's completely natural, which means it doesn't bother you if you swallow it, which you don't want to do, but you won't die from it. So keep watching, show you how to make some toothpaste. Okay, let's get started with the wet ingredients. But beforehand, remember with the natural toothpaste, do not use metal. It reacts with the clay and we don't want to do that. So make sure to only use plastic or glass. Plastic or glass. So let's get started. The first ingredient is coconut oil. You know coconut oil pulls toxins out. I've got a video on oil pulling. You can watch it and learn about it. I'll post it up here. But first, let's begin with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Extra virgin, you all. Try to do this with one hand, that's not going to work. Okay, here we go. 1, 2. I have it sitting in here because often coconut oil becomes solid if it's in a cold place, so I just set it in this water and it softened. Okay, 8 drops of peppermint oil. Makes it taste good, gives it a flavor. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you get an extra one, it's not a deal killer. You can feel it tingling in your mouth when you brush your teeth. 2 drops of black pepper, another detoxifying agent. Okay, and plastic. Just mix this up for now. Okay, so this is only 2, really 3 wet ingredients. Coconut oil. Oh, that's not cute. Coconut oil and the peppermint oil and the black pepper oil. And that's it, you all, for the wet ingredients. Okay, next are the dry ingredients. I really wish you all could smell this. So, smell it, and if it's good, you don't need any more drops. Don't put any more black pepper oil on the cup. Okay, here we go. Now, let's start with the dry. 1/2 teaspoon of Himalayan sea salt. It's a wonderful abrasive. Get the smaller kind, not the thick granules. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. You know, baking soda deodorizes the breath. 1/2 teaspoon. One teaspoon of xylitol, which is a natural sweetener. It also helps prevent tooth decay. I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of this, okay? 1 teaspoon. Okay. Kind of mix a little bit as you go. Then the clay. Make sure you get food grade clay. I want to show it to you. See what it looks like? So you can be able to eat it. Some clays you cannot, so make sure it's food grade. Can't say that enough. So we're going to do 2 tablespoons. The clay detoxifies, pulls out bacteria and items in the mouth. Then the last dry ingredient is charcoal. This is what makes your teeth white, and you only need a pinch of it, you all, just a little bit. It's hard to do a pinch, so I do like almost half of a quarter teaspoon, so just a little bit. Just a little bit. Then I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients together. Really no smell here. Just make sure you try to mix everything up. I know this doesn't look like it's going to be toothpaste, but it is. It's going to be. So, the wet ingredients we've done the dry ingredients. Now it's time to combine. Okay, I'm going to add the dry to the wet. Just kind of mix as I go. You just stir it until it all becomes one. So when it becomes room temperature, it's going to thicken up a little bit. But you'll still be able to use it. It won't be a problem at all. But I want you to mix it well. So I've got a plastic whisk here. Here we go. This is what I'm talking about. Because if you don't, it'll be kind of lumpy, and you don't want that when you brush your teeth. Okay? Whisk it until it's lump free. And you can smell it. This makes me look forward to brushing my teeth in the morning and in the evening. Because, oh, you can feel it when you breathe in. Cool, refreshing, and natural. Yes. Okay. So I think this is mixed up enough. Just going to pour it in. Trust me, it's going to thicken up. It's not going to be this liquid. By the morning, it will be thick. This may last you 3 weeks, maybe, if that. So you can double the recipe. But this is it, you all. This is how you make your own toothpaste. Try to get a container that you close up and seal. I'm going to go show you mine that I have upstairs. I'll be right back. So as it sits in your bathroom, it may solidify, and occasionally you'll have to just stir it up. You just stir it up. It's very soft and easy to use. Wet your toothbrush. Already got some on here. Doesn't matter what toothbrush you use, just use the one you've been using. Just put some on there. Remember, use something wooden or plastic to put the toothpaste on your toothbrush. Okay, remember that. And just brush as normal. So I hope you learned something new today from Changes for a Lifetime. If you did, subscribe, like, share with somebody that you love, someone whose teeth are yellowing, someone who has bad breath. Oh my goodness, what a difference it makes with that. Morning and night. Peace and blessings. I can go on and on with this. Peace and blessings. Thank you for watching Changes for a Lifetime. I'll see you next week.